Here's a 2016 GMC Acadia. This full-size crossover has accommodating space and functionality and is well appointed with the safety and technology that you've come to expect from GMC. With an easy-access third row with the Smart Slide seating system, the whole family can ride in comfort. Make maneuvering and parking easier with the rear vision camera and rear park assist. The cockpit is your command center with the included colored touchscreen media display and OnStar with 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot.
Personalize your drive with a voice-activated IntelliLink system. The heavy-duty trailering equipment is perfect for those who work hard and play hard. Parking sensors help keep you safe by alerting you to your surroundings.
The flexibility and confidence that you deserve. This Acadia is awaiting your test drive today.
Visit us anytime at craneteam.com.
Go, go, go.